Hey guys, and welcome back to the weird part of YouTube. This is me again after a really long time. So today I'm outside and it's really sunny, like how California weather is always like, and it's really nice outside. So I thought I'll do something interesting today. So I am planting a sea chayote. I got it outside and I thought I'll do something interesting and weird, just like this channel is. So here's this chayote and I'm gonna plant it. So right now I am gonna dig a deep hole into the soil and I'm just gonna put it in and wait for 6 to 8 months. Yeah, as you guys keep watching more videos, I'll put in progress as to how the plant's doing. So thought it'll be interesting. Weird flex, but okay. So right now I'm just gonna dig a hole. I have a spoon here. I don't have a shovel to like dig stuff, but I'm just gonna dig it. Just gonna move the camera a bit. Just digging some hole, y'all. And the dog is constantly barking. Damn. Oh well. So yeah, so I think this hole is deep enough. And then I'm just gonna take this chayote. Yeah, it already has this. It's a sea chayote, so apparently I should just keep it like this and then cocoon it so that this part is outside facing the sun. I'm just gonna plant it a little more here so I have more space. This one is a vegetable, and so I thought I can like cook it up when it's like grown much bigger. So I think that's about it. It's planted. I have another one right here. So this is the sea chayote. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plant it. Again, you know the drill. Dig a hole. Should I plant it somewhere else? You know what? I'll just plant it in the same place as the other one, so that I'll know they are chayotes. If you don't have a soil, you can also buy a pot and then put some soil in it and then wait for it to grow. Yeah, so there's two of them. There's one here and one here. And that's about it, guys. I have another tree planting. Sorry, I have another planted tree over here, which is the rose one. I got it from a grocery outlet where it was for $4.99. So I thought I'll plant some roses for spring. So it's nice and sunny today, so planting day. After you're done planting, you would probably need some water for the soil. It's already kind of wet since it rained really heavily last night, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But if you have a very dry soil, just put some water and water it constantly. I know this is a weird challenge and I'm like planting stuff. Hopefully you found this interesting and do plant more trees in your garden if you have one, or if you don't, just plant a lot of trees wherever you can. And that's about it, guys. So apparently chayotes are very low maintenance vegetables. You can get them at Home Depot or at any supermarket. You can just plant one and they'll grow apparently. And I heard that vegetables are easier to grow and they grow faster compared to fruit. Like, I would really wish to have an orange tree in my place, but I don't have the real estate or the time and resources for it. It takes apparently 5 to 6 years to fully develop into a big tree, so ain't no time for that. But I heard vegetables are a good deal of plants and they grow pretty quickly in like 6 to 8 months. So by that time it'll be summer and it'll be great if I can eat my own vegetables, don't you think? So yeah, I hope you like this video. Subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos this week. That's what I keep saying, but I really do. I'm trying new stuff, and you know, hopefully you like what I'm doing. Leave a comment down below and like this video. Please do subscribe. I need all the subscribers. I love you all. You know, I right now I'm at 36 subscribers. Super great. Very thankful to all of you, and that is all. Bye.